design thinking is definitely a buzzword, but it's by far nothing new. Since we are moving from focusing on product design to service and software design, we need to work like a designer in areas where design didn't play a major role in the past. When we look at successful business models in the market, we're talking a lot about usability, simplicity, and experiences instead of things. Because these are the aspects which make companies like Uber or Airbnb so successful. And who is in the center of an experience? It's the user. So we need to shift our perspectives, and having competitive pressure in the back, many companies are willing to change their perspective and to change their way of working. So they see how important it is to invest time and focusing on the needs and pain points of the user in order to make money. They recognize how valuable a culture of failure is. We say fail early and often in design thinking, but it's not about failing in general. It's about allowing to make mistakes in order to improve things. So iterations are very important. They experience how helpful it is to build prototypes. Even if they are made out of Lego, making ideas tangible enables you to test them properly in order to receive concrete feedback and in order to improve them accordingly. The companies understand what major impact space and atmosphere has when especially you want to come up with new solutions, innovative solutions. And by the way, I mean, if you want to have the best experts who are able to come up with those ideas, it's even more important to provide a good space and atmosphere, because they can basically choose where they want to work, right? And finally, the companies understand that success is often driven by collaboration and not hierarchy. So that means design thinking is the way of working which combines all of these aspects. And this is why design thinking is so popular. But summarized, we are not following one method. We are living a different way of working, and our clients are demanding it.